Okay, so more progress has occurred. Have raised the middle section up, re-supported up underneath there, underneath that beam. Made the faux beam yesterday, installed it today. Now working on the supports. Matter of fact, they're out in the garage right now. One of them is drying. Here's a picture of that. And then in the meantime, started working on removing the baseboards. Got the baseboards all removed. Like I said, then tomorrow, next day, we'll have the columns on each side. This is a good fit. It's like really good. All right, so the front has been trimmed out now with the beams, as you can see here. Yeah, so I think it actually turned out pretty good. I'll go down around this end. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty nice. All right, so here we're working on the trim of the door. I went ahead and decided that I didn't like what was up there on the door, so I want to go ahead and replace it. So we did a little bit of review. You know, it had just FYI, don't mind the junk. You know, the door kind of looked like this. You know, which the interior doors are fine, but I wanted something just a little bit more for the exterior door. And so yeah, so we're gonna beef it up just a little bit, make it look nice, I think. Anyway, I think it's gonna look pretty good when it's done. But here, I just want to show you, we ripped the trim off. Now I'm putting the trim on there. So here we're a little bit further along, as you can see. So kind of got this side done, or at least it's on the wall. I do have one more board goes over here. What we're doing is an 18-inch spacing on these, and then still have to put the ones up here at the top as well. Then we got the door trimmed out. So there's the new door trim. Hey, there was something I wanted to show you for the front door real quick. This piece right here, we were actually looking at first just building. I was going to use all, use various pieces, put them together to make that trim around the door here. But instead, I just happened to turn around and I saw this, it's just all one piece, which was awesome. You know how it's been milled out, which was pretty cool. And it was actually cheaper, based on current prices of wood, which is outrageous right now. This piece, which I don't remember how long it was. I think it was a 6-footer, was perfect as far as, because it was way cheaper than the other wood, and then building it ourselves. So I'm like, hey, that's a great way to go. And that was what we were looking for. Also, that's what I did down at the bottom. Here, let me show you that part. I basically used the same piece just to kind of make a decorative detail down at the bottom. Here's the section of the door I was talking about. I just cut this bottom piece. It was that same board we used on top. I just cut it down here at the bottom. It makes a nice little transition, especially once we get it all painted up. It just, kind of breaks it up a little bit. Just makes it look a little bit nicer, I think. So anyway, there, I just wanted to show you that. Back to it. And then just to show you, this is, putting the boards on the wall over on this side. I mean, they are filthy when they look like this. They get cleaned up and look like that, and then all the joints get hidden behind the boards. And then we'll do the caulking and stuff a little bit later on here, and I'll show you more.